Hey, welcome back to another car video. Today we'll be changing our engine filter on our CX5. Let's go! So your engine filter is inside this box here. It's real simple to come off. You're gonna pop the lever here and another lever down here. And then this is kind of hinged in place. So you wanna just tilt and then kind of tilt and lift it up. And as you can see, there is our engine filter. Not in too terrible of a condition, but it's been a while, so I'm gonna change it out. All right. Okay guys, so we're just able to tilt and remove our engine filter. So you just reach inside and pop it right out. It comes out nice and easy. All right. You just give it a good inspection. You see you got lots of dirt in there, leaves, and just whatever you can think of. So you just want to change this to make sure your engine is getting quite efficient supply of air, and you don't want the grooves in your filter to be too blocked. And I'm just going to go show you a comparison between this filter and the brand new filter. So here we have a brand new air filter. See, it's nice and white and clean. And then if you compare that to our older filter, it's like yucky. Our engine's like, give me a break, let's change this out. Alright guys, so if you take a quick peek inside here, you just see there's just a massive intake there for the engine to receive nice clean air through the filter. Nice healthy mix of air with the fluid, so we can get our optimal burn and efficiency for performance of our engine. So let's replace our new filter, and it's nice and easy. You just stick it in, make sure it's sitting. So nice and easy. Stick it in, make sure it's sits in place. All right, nice and flat. And then we will rehinge and cover our filter back in place. So we're gonna tilt and let's get the wires out of the way. Let's tilt and hinge it in place, and then once we got it covered, we will relatch in place. So nice, quick and easy replacing our engine filter, and now hopefully we'll get a better efficiency from our vehicle. It's a 2018, not too old, with 80,000 miles on it, so it's giving pretty good performance. So just periodic maintenance like changing your engine filter can do really good for your engine. All right guys, thank you for watching this video, and follow me for some more maintenance videos on our CX5. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.